Hello everybody, it is your girl Andrea, the Global Voice Mason, certified under the mentorship of Dr. Les Brown and your #1 accountability coach. How are you doing? Thank you for joining me as you see our remote office because I made my dreams become reality. I can take my business wherever I go and I can come to you virtually no matter where you are in this world. And I'm able to spread the love and fun during the summer months for our family as well as be productive and proactive. Today I'd like to bring something to your attention, and for those of you who are new to my channel, I welcome you. For you can find out further details, upcoming events on my website, andreamasons.com. But let's get to it. So for those of you who don't know, I have been, in the past, I was a victim of abuse and bullying of all kinds, whether you name it, physical, spiritual, emotional, sexual, all elements. And I had a difficult time of saying, what can I bring to the table? What could I bring to help individuals around the world be empowered? Because my self-esteem, quite honestly, was sabotaged, was damaged. I felt like I didn't fit in. I felt like I could never relate to anybody. And I felt that I was invincible, let alone unable to have any future of the constant failures. Does this sound like you? See, in all stages of our life, we get bullied, or sometimes, someplace, we experience victimization, whether it be in school, amongst our peers, amongst our family members, let alone even in our careers and thereafter. But it isn't until you change your mindset, you look in the reflection of your mirror and you realize all that you can bring to the table, whether it's confidence, assurance, some sort of skill set or trade that you have mastered, but most importantly, the gifts that you were given, the experiences that you've lived and learned from, the lessons, the failures that made you fall forward, and most importantly, what is in your heart that matters. And when you are able to peel back the layers and realize, after being a victim of abuse and bullying, sure, it's an unfortunate, painful, and difficult experience, but when you truck through it, when you realize that there's more to you than what has been done to you, and that there's more that you can contribute to the world through your lessons, your losses, your lifestyle experiences, and your love, that is what truly makes you authentic. That is what gives people empowerment, and that is what makes you stand out from the crowd. I always say that I'm a woman of integrity. What you see is what you get with me on and off the camera. No filter, no excuses, just results and love. And when we learn from our experiences that these experiences have brought us to the place that we are today, and we can apply, master, and teach others, that's when we are at our best. So I want you to look at your life. I want to look at your experiences, and I want you to learn from the lessons that you have gone through. Whether it's heartache, whether it's failure, whether it's loss, whether it's sacrifice, whether it's even loss of a family member. Your experiences and your lessons can help the next individual that's in the dark. You have a life that you lead. And it's in order for you to never give up the power to someone else just because that of their perspective of you. My mentor, Dr. Les Brown, says, don't let one's opinion of you become your reality. And I hold that true to my heart. He also mentioned that if you ask yourself this question every single day in life, are you going through it or are you growing through it? Through the pains, heartaches, and sufferings and isolations, on the other side is success, failure, and happiness. There's a silver lining, and it's for you to persevere with passion, purpose, and prosperity, that you will make yourself achieve and bring yourself to the next level. It is truly important that you learn these lessons, that life can either happen to you or happen for you. It's all about your mindset and perspective. I encourage you to connect with me for a complimentary session. And remember, My mission is to get you to the next level, to exceed your fullest potential. And I want to share with you and walk beside you on your journey in life as you, every single second of the day, have the choice and the right to press play. Plan life according to you. Learn from your failures to fail forward. Learn from your struggles and strifes to become successful. And most importantly, learn that everything you do when acting with integrity, passion, and perseverance will allow you to lead a life of love and laughter. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, personal accountability coach, bringing you daily content every single day, wishing you the best and reminding you to press play. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Be well.